Been around for a quarter of EduBridge's journey. I feel blessed to have witnessed some remarkable changes in the company, which has helped us to leave a mark in the industry. The journey of being a complete stranger on the first day of my joining to becoming colleague, and then to proudly say that I've become a confidant for many, just shows the approachability factor that we all possess. Our journey has just begun. We have a mountain to climb. With hard work, determination, and sheer endurance, I'm sure soon we'll hit the summit. Congratulations, each and every EduBridger, on our 12th anniversary.
Hi there, my name is Asif Nadeem. I am an employee at EduBridge. Ever since I joined this company, my life is all set. You know why? I'm able to maintain a work-life balance now, which I was not able to do earlier. EduBridge is giving ample opportunity to learn, succeed, and grow. Every day we are learning new things from everybody here in this organization. HR team here is awesome. They are conducting employee engagement programs to just to entertain the employee and wash off their worries and tensions which they have while working for a sales target. Everything seems to be very good here, including reward and recognition programs which are conducted frequently, which actually motivates our employees and encourages them to work harder and harder for the organization. Thank you, EduBridge, for providing me this opportunity to grow with you. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I was so excited to know that I have to share my experience at EduBridge with all of you. And let me tell you all that working with EduBridge is such a great pleasure and a privilege for me. I'm surrounded by a diverse team, all intelligent and friendly people around. I'm so glad to work with Maya, my reporting manager. She has always encouraged me to challenge my limits and improve my skills. I really admire Maya, the way she works, the goal-oriented approach that she carries towards her work, and a positive, mindset that she has, and that's her primacy. And I think that is what I must be learning from her. Respect, care, excellence are the qualities that everyone here lives by, and that comes from the top, and then that flows throughout the rest of the organization. Our CEO is it's such an inspiration. It is incredible to see the kind of hard work and detailing that he puts into every single task in hand, and that is something which is contagious, and that gets me back to work every single day. I must mention that EduBridge does not believe in any boundaries, and there's always an encouragement to progress, to learn, and to evolve. And I'm really proud and humbled to be a part of such an incredibly talented team, to be among such incredibly talented people. And I'm really thankful for all the opportunities that I have received towards to contribute towards organization's growth and success. So thank you so much, and cheers to EduBridge.
Hello everyone, I am Richa Vatwani, Senior Manager, Learning and Development. I have more than 8 years of experience in teaching, training and content development within the education sector. I have been working with EduBridge for 4 years now. As one starts climbing the career ladder, complexity increases. You have to learn to manage the dynamics, build relationships and manage teams. Under the mentorship of Lavina, I have learned many skills like people management, customer-focused attitude, building an analytical mindset, eye for detail, problem solving, and much more. At EduBridge, not only I have grown as a professional but also gained respect as a working mother. My team helped me to learn new things every day, and we have grown to challenge ourselves with each new opportunity that comes our way. EduBridge has helped me to create a meaningful impact and contribute to the society in my own small way. This company plays a pivotal role in my professional and personal development, especially with the work from home opportunity with which I have been able to take care of my responsibilities at work and at home both at the same time. For our learners, EduBridge offers the best in class training experience, both in the classroom at the career academies as well as in all its training programs. We offer more than 100 courses in career development, all that are focused towards getting you a better job. All our courses come under the mission of lifelong learning and have been crafted in collaboration with leading industry experts. As always, like all EduBridge offerings, these courses will be taught by best in class instructors. A career path focused on job based training aligned to the market demand. Remember, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Walk with us as we make a difference. Run with us as we bring a change. Fly with us as we soar towards success.
Hi, my name is Ruel and I'm from the Strategic Partnerships team. I handle various clients and having worked at EduBridge for more than 2 years, I have seen it grow tremendously. My experience here in EduBridge has been superb. I would describe EduBridge as very friendly, which shows that all the employees engage with one another in a very positive way throughout the workday, which in turn builds team spirit. EduBridge as a company is also very inspiring and motivating to the employees. The employees and the teams work well together cross-functionally to accomplish their goals. The manager also trusts their subordinates equally. And last but not the least, there's very much flexibility in EduBridge, be it time or work. Also, the culture here is superb to work. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Veerkavan Kalpade, General Manager for Institutional Partnerships at EduBridge, India. Life at EduBridge, if I talk about, it's really interesting to work with this organization, wherein we see an equal amount of passion with each of the teammates that I'm working with, and I'm very impressed by the various activities that has been done by the company in this 12 years of lifespan, where I could hear out various good activities and things from the clients that I'm visiting. People already know EduBridge and their good work that they have been doing since this last 12 years, helping people getting the first job, helping them to groom themselves to become ready for a job, guiding them towards a direction are some of the important things which impressed me personally. And I feel this is the need of the hour that every organization who is working for skill development and workforce development in the country needs to have. So, big cheers to this company, EduBridge Learning, and I wish great success to the company, and I look forward to be associated further for a very long journey with this company. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Menon and I am working with EduBridge with the Center Placements team since past 1 year. First of all, I would like to thank the management for giving this opportunity to speak about my personal experience with EduBridge. I would be speaking about 3 important aspects of EduBridge: culture, transparency and growth. Let's start with my CEO, Mr. Girish Singhania, who is one of the most approachable person in EduBridge and also an amazing mentor I have come across in my career. Next, I would like to talk about the leadership team who have been equally as approachable, even though we are working in different dynamics of this business. Because of the dynamic work culture as well as the open door policy, the whole organization has a good transparency in whatever we do. Talking about growth, EduBridge is in one of its most exciting phases in terms of exponential growth, which gives equal opportunities for all the employees to exponentially grow along with the organization. Lastly, I would once again like to thank the management to give me this opportunity to speak about my experience with English. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Harinder Palsing. I am working as a Center Manager for Cuttack Military Center. First of all, I would like to thank the management of the company for providing me an opportunity to share my experience on a very special day. So, working culture and environment in EduBridge is really awesome, which was a learning lesson, and there will be a lot of learning lesson for me and my team in future. It provides a perfect platform for training and placement for the learner all over India. I would like to thank my BU head and my reporting manager who have helped us in every professional stage of my career. During the pandemic situation, when many educational companies have to shut down their business, EduBridge and their employees saw this as an opportunity and delivered their work efficiently from home, meeting client expectation. The best part of organization is the management always encourage and appreciate many employees for their innovation and new idea shared towards the betterment of the organization. The management is always transparent about the update and the focus to each level of employees in the organization. I am privileged to be a part of the finest and magnificent company since 3 years. Thank you.